HTTP and HTTPS are the fundamental protocols that power the web. These protocols determine how your browser communicates with websites and how securely your data travels across the internet. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is the foundation protocol that enables communication between web browsers and web servers across the internet. Every time you visit a website, HTTP is working behind the scenes to deliver the content you see. HTTP works in a simple three-step process. First, your browser, the client, sends a request to the server. Then, the server processes that request. Finally, the server returns a response containing the data you requested, such as a web page, image, or video. HTTP uses different request methods for different actions. GET is used to retrieve data from the server. POST sends data to the server, like when you submit a form. PUT updates existing data on the server. And delete removes data from the server. These methods allow browsers and servers to communicate effectively. The major problem with HTTP is that all data travels in plain text. This means anyone intercepting the connection can read your information, including passwords, credit card numbers, and personal messages. This lack of encryption makes HTTP insecure for sensitive transactions. HTTPS, which stands for HTTP Secure, solves this problem. It is essentially HTTP with an added encryption layer that protects data during transmission. This encryption ensures that even if someone intercepts your data, they cannot read it. HTTPS provides three critical security features. First is encryption, which scrambles your data so only the intended recipient can read it. Second is authentication, which verifies that you are connecting to the real website and not an imposter. Third is integrity, which ensures that data is not altered or tampered with during transfer. HTTPS encryption is enabled through SSL or TLS certificates. These are digital certificates that websites must obtain from trusted certificate authorities. The certificates verify the website's identity and enable the encrypted connection between your browser and the server. You can easily identify secure HTTPS websites by looking for two key indicators. First, check for the padlock icon that appears in your browser's address bar. Second, verify that the URL starts with HTTPS instead of HTTP. These visual cues confirm that your connection is encrypted and secure. Let's review the key points. HTTP enables web communication but lacks security. HTTPS adds encryption to protect your data. Always look for the padlock icon before entering sensitive information. And remember, use HTTPS whenever you are sharing personal or financial data online. Stay safe on the internet.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.